Hi, my name's Tim with Tubeline Manufacturing. I'm on the engineering team, and today we're here to discuss the BF8000 bale feeder, one of our newest pieces of equipment to go on the market. So what we're going to talk about today is what happens if you load a bale and it doesn't quite go right, or let's say like I did right now, I forgot to cut the net wrap. Well, now the bale's on. We have a simple way of you getting it off the bed and reloaded. So this tailgate's removable. Simply pull the pins and drop the bed down, and now I'll go in and I'll tip the conveyor bed up to get the bale off. So what you do is you have to lift the bed up slightly just to get the conveyor chain operating, and now run the chain in reverse until the bale comes off the back. So if you have any further questions, feel free to contact us at our office or take a look online at tubeline.ca.